स्वागतं कक्षायां। सो वयं कृदन्तानाम् अभ्यासं अर्थात् शत्रुरूपकृदन्तानां तृतीया विभक्तौ अभ्यासान् कुर्वन्तः आस्म। इदानीं भास्कर्वर्याः पुनः ते एव अस्मान् किञ्चित् अग्रे पाठयित्वा दर्शयन्तु इति प्रार्थयामि। भास्कर् महोदय, हा,
आं महोदय, अहं
तु
पठिष्यामि।
11तमवाक्यात्।
क्रीडद्भिः बालैः महान् कोलाहलः कृतः।
हा, क्रीडद्भिः, सो नौ बहुवचन। क्रीडता बालेन, क्रीडद्भिः बालैः, क्रीडता बालेन, क्रीडद्भ्यां बालाभ्यां, क्रीडद्भ्यां बालाभ्यां, क्रीडद्भिः बालाभिः, बालैः, क्षम्यतां, क्रीडद्भिः बालैः, बालेन बालाभ्यां बालैः. Okay, so we have to decline it in the individually according to their antakriya. Okay, so patata patadbhyam patadbihi is for the shatranta example. So क्रीडद्भिः बालैः महान् कोलाहलः कृतः. By the boys who were playing, as they were playing, a huge noise was made by them. Huge halla gulla was made by them. Continue, sir.
सूरां पिबद्भिः जनैः नियुद्धं कृतम्।
Suram pibadbihi janaihi, by those people who were drinking liquor. Okay, niyuddham kritam. Yuddham is some kind of a proper fight, perhaps. This niyuddham is like, dirty dirty fight. They have translated this as fight on the ground. Yeah, I guess that's a little bit literal. So some kind of a dirty fight was done by them, like that. मारामारी युद्ध नहीं है, मारामारी जैसा बोल सकते हैं, नियुद्धम. अग्रे.
So, sir,
वसन्ते
how this will be a continuous tense? So, means while drinking they are fighting.
Some of them are sitting drinking, some of them are roiling. And yeah, continue, sir.
वसन्ते कुजद्भिः कोकिलैः वनं व्यापृतम्।
Vasante, in this is a locative. Okay, Vasante kujadbihi kokilaihi, by the callings by the kokilas. That's the Sanskritam literal thing. Okay, while as they were calling the what is this, peacock nai, quails. Okay, let's stay with our
Cooing.
words. Kakus, yeah.
Cooing, they say.
Yeah, cooing is the kujadbihi, but kaku is the word for the
Cuckoos.
cuckoos,
Cuckoos,
kakus, a few words like that.
Ah,
Okay.
cuckoos.
Vanam vyaprutam, so the whole mini forest. Okay, you can call it mini forest in this case. Vyaprutam was spread out by them, was occupied by them, right? So that means in the months of Vasanta, okay, spring, the cooing cuckoos fill the forest, something like that. Continue, sir.
निन्दद्भिः जनैः अन्यस्य दोषाः एव अवलोक्यन्ते।
So ये जनाः सर्वे अन्येषां निन्दनं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति भवन्ति, अन्येषां निन्दनं कुर्वन्तः भवन्ति, तैः, अर्थात् in short, निन्दद्भिः जनैः. So the whole expansion is shortened like this. निन्दद्भिः जनैः अन्यस्य दोषाः एव अवलोक्यन्ते. So by certain people who are always accusative, critiquing, they only find faults in others, like our opposition parties, whichever party that is. Continue, sir.
चित्रं पश्यद्भिः जनैः चित्रस्य दोषाः चर्चिताः।
So केचन जनाः सन्ति, ते जनाः कुत्रापि चित्रं पश्यद्भिः सन्ति, पश्यन्ति. पश्यन् सन्ति. ओके, पश्यन्तः सन्ति, क्षम्यतां, पश्यन्तः सन्ति. तो पश्यद्भिः जनैः तैः चित्रस्य दोषाः चर्चिताः. प्रदर्शनं प्रचलदस्ति, तस्मिन्नेव काले ओ एतत् सम्यक् अस्ति, तत् सम्यक् असमञ्जसः अस्ति, एवं चर्चां कुर्वन्तः सन्ति. अस्तु वर्य, अग्रे.
प्रश्नं पृच्छद्भिः छात्रैः उत्थितम्.
केचन छात्राः कक्षायां प्रश्नान् प्रष्टुम् इच्छितवन्तः. ते किं कृतवन्तः? प्रश्नं पृच्छद्भिः छात्रैः, ये छात्राः प्रश्नान् प्रष्टुम् इच्छन्ति तैः पृच्छद्भिः छात्रैः, प्रश्नं पृच्छद्भिः छात्रैः उत्थितम्, उपरि उपरि अर्थात् उत्तिष्ठितवन्तः ते. अर्थात् उपविष्ट्वा न न पृच्छन्ति, उत्थाय पृच्छन्ति ते. अस्तु, अग्रे.
So, Mahodaya, quick question. Uttitam is for Napunsakalinga. This could be Uttitaha, Uttita, Uttitam. Is that correct?
Uttitam is a bhave prayoga. Okay.
Oh, bhave
See,
prayoga.
tisht dhatu, it doesn't have a karma pada. Okay. So when it goes into karmani mode, for example, chatraihi something kritam. Chatraihi something kritam. There is no something for uttana. So chatraihi uttitam goes to napumsakalinga ekavachana by default, called bhave prayoga.
Okay.
Continue,
Sir,
Mahodaya.
is it while asking the question, students stood up or what?
Correct. Exactly.
Yeah.
You said it
Okay,
perfect.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Continue, Bhaskar Mahodaya.
Yeah. Sah likadbihi lekakaihi sah sambhashanam karoti.
केचन लेखकाः सन्ति. ते लेखकाः लेखनकार्यं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति. लेखनकार्यं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति. तैः साकं, तैः साकं, तैः सह, अर्थात् लिखद्भिः लेखकैः सह, कः सः, कमपि अन्यत् कोऽपि मनुष्यः सः सम्भाषणं करोति. तो लेखकैः लेखनकार्यं प्रचलन् अस्ति. तस्मिन् मध्ये एषः सम्भाषणं कर्तुम् इच्छति. सो सम्भाषणं करोति. अस्तु वर्य, अग्रे.
जानद्भिः अपि जनैः नियमः न अनुपालितः.
जानद्भिः अपि, जानन्तः अपि जनैः इत्यपि प्रयोगं कर्तुं शक्यते अस्माभिः, परन्तु अत्र शत्रन्तरूपेण इदानीमपि जानन्ति, पुरापि ते जानन्ति किं करणीयं, किं न करणीयं, नियमः किम्, अनियमः किम् इति जानन्ति. जानद्भिः अपि, knowingly also, by people, niyamah na anupalitah. The law was not followed by the people, because niyama is one collective niyama, singular. Anupalitah is also in singular, and this is kta kridanta. Kta kridanta is a bhuta karmani, so it goes with janaihi anupalitah, janaihi na anupalitah, janaihi niyamah na anupalitah, to point out the karma pada in prathama. Continue, sir.
Karyam kurvadbihi manushyaih सन्तोषः अनुभूयते.
सो केचन मनुष्याः सन्ति कुत्रापि, ते कार्यं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति. कार्यं कुर्वद्भिः मनुष्यैः सन्तोषः अनुभूयते. एवमेव कार्यं कुर्वद्भिः तैः सन्तोषः अपि अनुभूयते समानकाले. कुर्वद्भिः इति कुर्वन्तः सन्ति इति सूचना. अग्रे.
नमद्भिः भक्तैः देवः स्तुतः.
भक्ताः अधोमुखभावेन देवं नमन्तः सन्ति. तादृशैः भक्तैः, तादृशैः नमद्भिः भक्तैः देवः स्तुतः. ओ देव, अस्मान् त्रायतु, वयं अस्माकं रक्षणं कुर्वन्तु इति किमपि स्तुतिः कुर्वन्तः सन्ति. स्तुतः इति कुर्वन्तः सन्ति इति न लिखितं, स्तुतः कदापि भूतकाले ते एवं कृतवन्तः, ह्यः वा परह्यः कुत्रापि कदापि.
महोदय, स्तुतः अर्थात् स्तोत्रम् उच्चारणं करोति वा?
Exactly, exactly. See, stuta is a little different from puja. Okay, if you want to go to the different subtle differences of those acts, everything is not clusterable under one category. Stuti is basically mouthing out the gunagana of the devas. Okay, so praise of the Lord. So they are doing that. Bagini. So they are praising a masculine god here. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Bhaskar Mahodaya. You led us through that very nicely. Let me invite. Shilpa Udeshivarye, you lead us through the next 9 sentences. Now we are switching to multiple vibhaktis. So we have to carefully see what is happening in the context of the sentence. So Chaturthi is when you give something to for somebody's sake, for the sake of. Panchami is source of a departure. Okay, source of a vrikshat patram patati, something like that. Shashti is possessive case, Ramasya putraha, like that. Saptami is locative. So grihe asti, mata grihe asti, papa. This mata is always in the house. Astu. Bagini, patatu.
महोदय धावते बालकाय लेखनीं देहि.
Balakaya lekhanim dehi is the fundamental portion of Chaturthi Vibhakti. Very good. For the sake of the boy, a lekhani as a karma pada in Dvitiya Vibhakti, you give. You is implicit in dehi, madhyama purusha, ekavachana, dehi. Bhikshan bhavati, bhikshan dehi. We know the famous words. So that dehi here. Okay. Dhavate balakaya lekhanim dehi. To the boy, for the sake of the boy, who is also running, and it seems to be in the same vibhakti because it is a adjective to the balakaya. That's why it is there. So, so in fact, now you can remove balakaya and still say this. Dhavate lekanim dehi. That is also a perfect sentence. And it sits in the correct vibhakti. See how beautifully the language is constructed. Dhavate lekanim dehi. For the sake of the whoever that is running. So obviously, dhavatah, dhavantam, dhavate. So it's in pullinga or napumsaka. So either it is a mitra or some balaka or something like that. So dhavate lekanim dehi also gives the same meaning. It doesn't convey it is a young person, but it can be a vruddha also. Okay, that's all. Continue, sir. Continue, madam.
महोदय
महोदय तत्र विशेषविशेषणभावं
Krishnavarya pruchatu.
Without vishesha bhava, how can we simply apply this dhavate lekhanim dehi iti?
That is the beauty of Sanskritam. Okay, see, when there is something more generic that can be pointed to, something else becomes a visheshana to it. Okay, in the absence of that adjunct, I don't know what is the word for that. In the absence of that, this becomes the itself the thing. Okay, and because it is already all properly set up in the correct vibhakti, it is in a good placeholder position to take charge of the balakaya. See, what is your mother tongue, Mahodaya?
Kannada.
Kannada, thank you. My mother tongue too. So, ಓಡುತ್ತಿರುವವನಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು, ಓಡುತ್ತಿರುವವನಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು, ಓಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬಾಲಕನಿಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು, ಓಡುತ್ತಿರುವವಗೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕೊಡು. That is the difference. Okay.
Correct.
That in Sanskritam is more beautiful because the vibhakti also is correct. In Kannada, we have to switch around because the qualifier doesn't go in the correct vibhakti. So we have to switch around a little bit, but we know natively how to do it. Nothing, we don't sweat. But in Sanskritam, there is a certain style. Bagini, continue.
महोदय देहि is lot lakar madhyam purush ekavachana.
Correct.
पक्षपात कुर्वते तस्मै एषा कुप्यति. चतुर्थी विभक्ति.
Chaturthi vibhakti. So same again, patate, kurvate, dhavate. So the prototype fits into Chaturthi. So this kind of having a reference, basically this and Strilinga in a printed sheet, just like the collection is a good collection to have in your small reference booklet. Okay, yeah. So pakshapatam kurvate. So kurvate tasmai is the pairing here. Pakshapatam is incidentally also kurvate. What kurvate is pakshapatam kurvate. So this goes as a stack behind the clausal verb. So this is a clausal verb kurvate. So it goes as a stack behind it. There is nothing behind it. Here there is something behind it. Okay. Tasmai esha kupyati. So this one, this dhatu kup thing, when it comes, it requests a chaturthi. So whomever upon whom the kopa exists, that guy or that lady goes to chaturthi. Okay, tasmai kupyati. Okay, so ramaya duhyati, kopa, bhiti, few other. If you go back to your first this thing, I think the list is there under what condition chaturthi is forced. Okay, so this one is a kind of Sanskrit special grammar. Okay. ರಾಮನಿಗಾಗಿ ಕೋಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. You can say that in a different sense in Kannada. Yes, madam.
पठद्भ्यः छात्रेभ्यः अलसाः असूयन्ति.
See, kopa, asuya also belongs to the same class. Chaturthi vibhakti is forced, and in this case they switch to bahuvachana. Chatrebhyah. So patadbyah chatrebhyah alasaha asuyanti. So the lazy ones they envy the studious students, the students who are studious, who are reading, something like that. But we have to take it in English as studious. Okay, so sometimes you have to go to the correct phrase in the corresponding language. Continue, Magini.
क्रीडद्भ्यः बालकेभ्यः पाठः न रोचते.
Rochate is Atmanepadi, again Chaturthi Bahuvachana, very well said. So Balakebhyaha Pataha na rochate, Sarvada evameva kila. Ruch dhatu api Chaturthyam sthapayati. Yaha na rochate, saha Chaturtau asti. So येन न रोचते इति वक्तव्यं. यः न रोचते इति न वक्तव्यं. तो येन न रोचते इति.
वेगेन आगच्छतः यानात् मम भीतिः. पंचमी विभक्ति.
यानात् मम भीतिः. So यानात् भीतिः. So आरक्षकात् चोरः bibheti, something like that. I remember vaguely reading in the past. So that panchami, okay, from sense is there in this. So vegena agachatah yanat. So but the pairing is agachatah yanat. So what is agachatah here now? Patatah sense. Okay. So it is patat, this line, sorry, I went to the Shashti line here. So patatah, the form is same. So patatah, from the person who is reading. Okay, source, he's the source of some departure. So departure here, of course, is the bhiti is generated from that person and reaching this person who is mama, mai. Mama bhiti.
Mahodaya, one small doubt here. Atra, if it were to be in a simple past tense, it should have been read as Vegena agachatat yanat aham bhitihi, mama bhitihi, past tense. So asti past tense.
Asit, asti, whatever. Yeah, correct. Vegena, what did you say? Vegena?
Vegena agachatat yanat mama bhitihi asit. Agachat. This is
what is this agachatat? What? How did you determine this agachatat form? Agachatat only is agachatah. You're forgetting what's happening.
No, not continuous. This is for continuous tense. Shatru is for continuous.
What is agachatat?
Barta iruva.
But agachatat is an illegal construction. You have taken the correct kridanta agachat form, but we have not ended it correctly. Agachatah is the form. Panchami.
This would be Napunsakalinga, Mahodaya. Agachatah yanat.
This one is in Napumsaka, correct. Which seems to have the same form as Pullinga. So Yana is Napumsaka.
Yeah,
but the form is similar for Pullinga and Napumsaka in Panchami and all that.
Yes.
Who was the questioner? Was it Ishwar Mahod? Krishna Mahesh. So Krishna Mahesh ji, there is no agachatat. What are?
No, see, this is for indicating
You're taking a dhatu form and tacking a sup pratyaya without thinking what is happening. That's all it's happening. It's getting confused between kriyapada and namapada forms. See, agachatah is a declension in the namapada domain. So agachatat is not existing in the table. See here, it's not there.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Just think about it. What you're trying to.
उद्गच्छतः कोपात् सह कंपते पंचमी विभक्ति एकवचन.
Correct. So again, because of kopat, we can determine the source there. So udgachatah kopat, from the emerging. So again, we have to take this as emerging. Udgachatah literally means moving up. Moving up from the anger that is bubbling. Actually, is another good word to use in English for this. So the bubbling anger. From the bubbling anger, he shakes. Okay. There may be a better word than shakes, but yeah, whatever that is.
Shiver. Shiver.
Quivers. Thank you, Bhagini. I was thinking there is a better word. Quivers. So the kampate is quivers.
Or rising anger.
Rising anger. That is also nice. From the rising anger in the sense of increasing anger sense.
Yeah.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah.
It can be trembles also.
Trembles, quivers. Very good. Continue, Bhagini.
अरण्ये सम्मुखम् आगच्छद्भ्यः व्याघ्रेभ्यः हरिणाः भीताः. पंचमी विभक्ति बहुवचन.
Panchami Bahuvachana again. Okay. And the determination is very clear because Vyagrebhyah Harinaha, from the tigers, the deer. Okay. So the deer were became afraid from the tigers in that sense. Okay. Due to the tigers. So from the tigers is how we can literally say, of course. And then aranye sammukam agachadbyah. So in the forest, locative word which goes with both agachadbyah, and in the end the place of harinas also is also there. Sammukam is face to face. Okay. Sammukam. Okay. Dvayoho mukam ekatrev mukhamuki iti. Sammukam agachadbyah. So the deer were afraid from the tigers that were facing them and coming towards them. Facing and coming towards them in the forest. That kind of sense. Okay, continue, Bhagini.
रात्रौ रक्षणं कुर्वद्भ्यः यामिकेभ्यः चोराः बिभ्यति. पंचमी एक.
Correct. Again, the bhiti dhatu. So, a lot of panchami here. Okay. So, choraha bibhyanti. So, rakshakebhyaha choraha bibhyanti is something old one. No? So, same yamikebhyaha. So, what is this yamikebhyaha? Night watchman. Okay. It's a special title for the night watchman. So, yama is a word related to kala.
Night. Yama is.
I have to check because there is a little more application of this yama sense in other places other than night. But anyway, so clearly it's a construction related to night watchman. So we can remember that way. Yamikaha, plural. Yamikaha. Yamikaha is a night watchman. Yamikebhyaha. So kurvadbhyaha. Kim kurvadbhyaha? Ratrau. I mean, obviously they are yamikas. Ratrau. Rakshanam kurvadbhyaha. Rakshanam kurvadbhyaha. This is temporal location. Ratrau is in Saptami Ekavachana, and it is a temporal location. There are two types of location. Okay, physical location and temporal location. Okay, somebody joined, I guess. Okay, so physical. Continue.
I'll read, sir.
Continue.
विकसतः पुष्पस्य सौन्दर्यम् अपूर्वं षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन.
Very good. Because of Pushpasya, you should locate this in the Shashti, not in the Panchami like that. So you have to look at its associated word, the Visheshya, to determine sometimes. Okay, and also even if that is not there, you should determine that from the context of the dhatus and the sentence sense. So it cannot be Panchami; it has to be Shashti like that. Okay. Some places both can fit. I'm not saying they won't fit. In a slightly different sense, the other one fit. Okay, one as the possessor and another as the due to, some sense like that also can come. Okay. Thanks, Bhagini. So I'll just quickly walk through the balance. Okay. Yuddham kurvatah Ramasya parakramam devaha shlagitavantah. Kurvatah Ramasya. So again, Shashti Ekavachana. Kurvatah Ramasya. Okay. So that is Shashti pairing. So the Rama who was warring, who was doing the warring, his valor, the gods appreciated. That's what it's saying. Okay. So and this is a vantaha. So
in sentence 8, Varaha Bibhyati is what is written. Now, shouldn't it be Bibhyanti, or is it because of the third Gana issue?
That is, yeah, exactly. You concluded. It doesn't decline in the simple way. It has a plural form which is having no nakara. That's how I conclude. It will be nice to check in ashtadhyayi.com this dhatu.
Which one, Mahodaya?
Bibhyati. That is a plural bahuvachana form is what we are concluding.
No, but bharya bibhyati tasmin kaya in bhajavovindam, right? Yeah, yavat pamano nivasati dehe tavat pruchyate kushalam gehe gadavati vayo dehapaye bharya bibhyati tasmin kaya. So bibhyati is referred to the bharya, which is singular, right?
A singular word. Okay, bharya, there is no visarga lopa hoping. So let's check. I'm going to ashtadhyayi. Dhatu pata. Okay, Bibhyati. Let us check. Bhi dhatu prathama purushaha bahuvachanam is written clearly. Okay, so bibeti, bibhitaha, bibhitaha is the kartari lat. Sorry, bibitaha is the two forms of dvivachana. Bibhyati is the bahuvachana form. So bibeti is ekavachana, bibhyati is bahuvachana. So you have to go back to the anvaya of that sutra to see whether there is a visarga lopa there, Mahodaya.
Okay.
And one of them, bharya, is also a little tricky word. Not bharya. There is a different dhara, which is a tricky wife word. It's a pulling a word for wife.
I didn't know that it was.
Okay, let's forget that problem end. And
Had you known, you would have taken advantage of it. Had someone known about it, they would have taken advantage of it.
So we will continue now. So yuddham kurvatah Ramasya. So kurvatah Ramasya, by Rama who was doing, that sense. Okay, yuddham kurvatah. So spartartham gachatam etesham jayah nischayah. Etasya etayoho etesham. Okay, so bahuvachana shashti, etasya etayoho etesham. So the victory of these people is determined. Okay, nischitaha is clear, is determined, is assured. And of that, what type of etesham? Gachatam etesham. Those who are going. Where they are going? Spardhartam, for the sake of spardha. No, it's a avyaya, but whenever you add artha, it becomes an asa. For that they are going. Spardhartam gachatam etesham jayah nischitaha. देश रक्षणार्थम युद्धम कुर्वताम सैनिकानाम देशभक्ति श्लाघनीया. Meaning is very clear. So for the sake of protecting the country, those soldiers who are fighting, of them. Okay, so Shashti again, of them. So Sainikasya Sainikayoho Sainikanam Deshabhakti Shlaganiya. Their love for the nation should be appreciated. Dhanam apaharati chore. See Saptami. Okay, apaharati. See here, patati. Okay, patati. So don't get confused with a Kriya Pada. So Ekating Vakyam. So you know that in this case, if it was Patati, of course, Apaharati is also a Kriya Pada form. Okay. Just let me mute everyone. Okay. So Apaharati is also a Kriya form, but in the context, we have to read it in as a Shatru Saptami Ekavachana. So Dhanam Apaharati Chore. In the robber. See, Chore is in the robber. Okay. Who is in the act of stealing money in that sense. Okay. Of course, stealing in is the sense here. Apaharati. Okay. Arakshakasya drishtihi patita. So his eyesight or his focus of his eye fell on that robber. So the robber becomes the location for the falling of the drishti. Okay. Rame mama bhakti asti. Bhakti also is similar. We place it somewhere. We place the bhakti somewhere. We place the drishti somewhere. Okay, so placing the focus on something, that something takes adhikarana karaka. That's why Chora has become adhikarana of the drishti. Okay, little subtle grammar here. Okay. Our mother tongues, we may be very loose in this type of thing. Because, for example, in Kannada, we use Dvitiya Vibhakti only. Actually, no, we use mele pratyaya in Kannada. We do use adhikarana. So, kallana mele drishti bidditu, like that we say. So, chor ke upar drishti pata, gira, like that. Okay. Like that we use also in mother tongues. So, fine. This is similar. But we don't have to use that upar beeper business. Chore is enough. Akaryam kurvati tasmin vivekah sarvata nasti. So akaryam, kshamyatam, akaryam. Akarya is a dushkarya, some bad work. Kurvati tasmin, in that fellow who is doing a wrong act, vivekah sarvata nasti. The thing called viveka is always absent, not there. So kurvati tasmin, gacchati tasmin. Again Saptami Ekavachana example. Gacchati tasmin yane panchashata janaah santi. तो कुत्रापि किमपि यानं चलदस्ति तत् यानं दृष्ट्वा कोऽपि वदति गच्छति तस्मिन् याने 50 जनाः सन्ति बहु जनाः सन्ति तस्मिन् याने इति वदन्तः सन्ति गच्छति याने. So because it's moving at the time of their observation. पाठं पठत्सु बालकेषु गोविन्दः प्रथमं स्थानं प्राप्नुयात्. So amidst the boys who were amidst reading, in that sense, okay, Govinda obtained the first place. So this is another use of Saptami. When you pick, again you go back to your Pravesha book, you will see this very nicely. Actually, the better book to go to is Parichaya, first chapter. There is a good introduction section which short lists all the forms. Okay, so if you want to pick one out of many for indicating something, then the many go to Saptami. Okay, and the one comes out in whatever vibhakti we choose. Here it's Pratama. So patatsu balakeshu Govindah pratamam sthanam prapnuyat. He may obtain. Okay, vidhi. So like that. Tapah acharatsu bhaktesu. Acharatsu bhaktesu Bhagavata kripa pradarshita. By the Bhagavan. So this is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Bhagavata pradarshita. Okay. So by the Bhagavat. And upon whom the pradarshana, kripa pradarshana. Kripa is an object for that pradarshana. So that is upon the bhaktas who were doing tapas, who were in the act of doing tapas. So acharatsu bhakteshu. Tapaha goes as a subject for the acharatsu. So bhaktaha tapah bhaktaihi tapah acharyate. आचरत्सु भक्तेषु तपः आचरत्सु भक्तेषु भगवता कृपा प्रदर्शिता किंचित कालानन्तरं व्यर्थं समयं यापयत्सु एतेषु कस्यापि कार्यश्रद्धा नास्ति बहवः सन्ति एकत्र ते कार्यं सम्यक् न कुर्वन्तः सन्ति कार्यम् असमञ्जसरीत्या कुर्वन्तः सन्ति अर्थात् तेषां कार्यश्रद्धा नास्ति अर्थात् तेषु कार्यश्रद्धा नास्ति सप्तमी आल्सो कैन बी यूज्ड सो तेषु कार्यश्रद्धा नास्ति कीदृशेषु यापयत्सु किं यापयत्सु समयं यापयस्तु कथं यापयत्सु कथं समयं यापयत्सु व्यर्थं समयं यापयत्सु एतेषु जनेषु कस्यापि कार्यश्रद्धा नास्ति सो amidst all these people not a single one has mentality of focus on work all of them are lazy buggers is what this emerges from this okay so more and more we read these words and internalize them within Sanskritam flow in our brain it becomes easy okay so in the previous lesson it was stated that from Tritiya Vibhakti to Saptami Vibhakti the Shatranta forms of Pullinga and Napumsakalinga are the same therefore both masculine and neutral forms are given in the sentences above we noticed here and there no so we saw for example Yane is related to Napumsaka but lot more cases were in Pullinga perhaps it's only but a natural thing because those who are doing some action tend to be people so tend to be either Pullinga or Strilinga so okay in one case the movement was from a vehicle so that's how it happened but you can say patatsu phaleshu amrapalah samyak asti amrapalam amrapalam samyak asti so amongst the fruits that are falling the mango is a good one so I'm assuming some kind of a tree which is a kamadhenu giving lot of fruits okay according to the rule of visheshanam and visheshyam the forms are as under gacchata bhavata kridadbhihi balaihi davate balakaya patadbhyah chatrebhyah see when this never get confused with this construct one of the more difficult to read ones so dakara is attacked first next bhakara comes then yakara all together dbyah okay so because of this compound the tha gets a gurutva but patadbhyah patadbhyah the Shatranta form.
One quick question. Is it that Shatranta is always used for Visheshanam?
Generally, it tends to become a Visheshanam. Unless there is a Visheshya missing, then it takes hold the place of that that Visheshya. But in a hidden Visheshana form, with its object missing.
Okay. Then.
For example, Bhakteshu can be taken out. See, in almost every sentence, Tapaha acharatsu bhagavata kripa pradarshita. Amongst those who are enacting tapa, Bhakta need not be brought into the equation at all. Right? Same way, Patam patatsu Govindah pratamam sthanam prapnyat. Gacchati Yane may be needed here because it's not so obvious what Gacchati, but Gacchati Panchashat Janaha Santi is not out of the equation saying whatever is going in that 50 people are there. Whatever has to be assumed. Okay? Instead of Yana. Right? Under that context, it is not a Visheshana because it lacks its Visheshya. But there is a bracketed Visheshya. Bracketed Adhyakruta Visheshya. Whatever. In some context, that whatever is very clear. In some context, it remains as a whatever. Many times we struggle to find that something is in karmani etc because the subject will be missing and suddenly something looks like a karmani type of application. What is happening? So you have to check whether something is bracketed in the way the meaning is understood. Usually, regardless of our brain over analyzing all the grammatical points and exploding all the details like a chart, it clearly gets the meaning of the sentence first. Okay. It's very good in unraveling the meaning of the sentence. It uses a lot of circumstantial evidence to derive the meaning. Trust that meaning generally. Trust that meaning. That's what I do. I trust the meaning and then derive back the flowchart as based on that meaning. We bomb. Sometimes it bombs, but less often as we go forward. Takarantah pullinga patat shabdah. We did the practice in the morning, so you guys practice it a couple of times. So they have given this for usefulness. So there is some abhyasa. So let us try this. Adhastana shabdanam in the words written below. Suchitani vibhakti rupani ekavachanantani likata. So whatever is the vibhakti rupa indicated, Suchitani vibhakti rupani ekavachanantani likata. So write the this guy in corresponding vibhakti. So patat patan rajakaha. So patat almost came to my head. So patan rajakaha. So panchami. So you remember this. Quickly move to the thing patataha. So patataha will be the form. Okay. And
Rajakat.
Ramaha Ramat. Okay, so Rajakaha Rajakat. So he won't go to again go to Rajakaha only form because he has his own declension. Akaranta. This is a different declension. So Patataha Rajakat is the answer. Okay, Patataha Rajakat. Like they have given for Shrunvan Nirdeshakaha. Tritiya is Shrunvata Nirdeshakena. So Patata somebody ena Ramena. So Rama Shabda is useful always to remember. Yeah. So Chintayan. So you guys can collectively attempt this. Chintayan Vimarshakaha Tritiya.
Chintayata Varshakena.
Chintayata Vimarshakena. Perfect. Chintayata Vimarshakena. Good attempt. Vikasat Pushpam Shashti.
Vikasatah Pushpa.
Pushpa va? Pushpa. How do you take it to Shashti?
Pushpam.
No.
Pushpasya.
Pushpasya. Somebody said it at last.
Pushpasya.
Akaranta Napumsakalinga declines like Rama Shabda after Tritiya Vibhakti. Pushpasya. So Vikasataha Pushpasya. Vikasataha Pushpasya. Next one. Kurvan Sevakaha Chaturthi.
Kurvate sevakaya.
Sevakaya. So Chaturthi is a apada. So you are giving sampradana. So Chaturthi is in the for the sake of. So Ramaya is what comes to our brain. So Sevakaya. So Kurvate Sevakaya. Patate Sevakaya. Kurvate Sevakaya. Pashyan Pitamaha.
Pashyati Pitamahe.
Saptami. Correct. Pashyati is the Saptami Ekavachana and Pitamaha goes to
Pitamahe.
Pitamahe. Ashte. Mahe. Rame. Pitamahe. Very simple. Okay. Pashyati Pitamahe. So in the Pitamaha, who is in the act of seeing. So Pashyati Pitamahe. Maya Pustakam Darshitam. Something like that. Udgachat Kshiram Shashti. Correct. Udgachatah Kshirasya. Very good. So the bubbling milk or the boiling over milk that is boiling over. Ukkuttiruva halina. Something like that. Kannada. Vahan Vayuhu Panchami. Vahataha.
Vayuna.
Vayuna was correct. Vayoho.
Guru.
Oh, Vayoho. Correct. Guru. Guruna is by Guru and yeah. So
Vayuna.
Hare Guru.
Vayoho. Vahataha Vayoho.
Guroho. Vayoho.
Vayoho is there for Shashti also, Panchami also. In this case, it is Panchami. Kartayan Sauchakaha. Saptami.
Kartayati
Sauchike, not Sauchaka, Sauchike. Very similar to Pitamaha. So Kartayati Sauchike. In the tailor who is cutting, who is in the act of cutting. Kartayati Sauchike Mama Vishwasaha Nasti. like that. Vishwasa, why it is not there? He will never give the cloth on time. Something like that. Prichat mitram chaturthi.
Pruchate mitraya.
Mitraya. Mitraya.
Very good. Mitraya. So mitram is napumsaka but declines like pulling after tritiya. Okay. So mitrena tritiya, mitraya chaturthi. Okay. So prichyate mitraya. Well done. Tadayan dushtaha tritiya.
Tadayata dushtena.
Dushtena. Very good. Tadayata dushtena. Okay. Ramena. Tritiya. Gayan gayakah. Sambodhana pratama. Oh, challenge.
Hey Gayan.
Hey Gayaka is clear. Hey Gayaka clear. How do you take Gayan?
Hey Gayakah.
Gayan only.
Gayan only. Very good. Gayan Gayakaha remains. See here, Patat, Hey Patat. Okay. So sorry, that is Napumsaka. Hey Patan. Sorry, that's what I should have pointed out. So Patan, Hey Patan, right? So Hey Gayan Gayakaha. Together we should say the whole.
Gayan Gayakah.
Hey Gayan Gayakaha.
Gayan
Gayaka. Shametam. Gayaka. I should not say Visarga. Correct. Okay. Hey, Gayan Nayaka. I don't know why he made it. Very weird twist of words. Okay. Piban Mukundaha.
Ekam anuvadam kartum shakyate va. How will it be actually? Hey Gayan Gayakaha in our normal language.
Hey, Haduttiruva Hadugarane. Hey, Haduttiruva Hadugarane. Are you Kannada?
No, Mahodaya. I'm little able to catch up with all the Kannada.
What is the language, madam?
I speak Tamil, I speak Hindi.
Hindi. I don't know Sambodhana in Hindi, but it goes something like, hey, Jo गा रहा है, hey.
गाने तुझे अभिनंदन बता रहे हैं.
Unfortunately, there is some crosstalk. Just I'll mute everyone, then you can unmute and speak. What is it, Mahodaya, you're trying to say?
गाते हुए गायक तुझे अभिनंदन कर रहा हूँ.
Hey, गाते हुए गायक. Like that you can say in Hindi also.
Tamil, hey, பாடுகின்ற பாடகரே.
ஆமாம். Perfect. பாடுகின்ற பாடகரே.
That's correct.
Correct. It's very, very kavi. It's like a poetic kind of calling. It's not normal laukika stuff. So Piban Mukundaha, another Sambodhana. Hopefully Maduram Piban Mukundaha. Sambodhana.
Hey Piban Mukunda.
Hey Piban Mukunda. Piban Mukunda.
Piban Mukunda.
Mukunda. Sambodhana. Okay. So here they have asked for Bahuvachana Rupa. So you guys can kind of try this out. Okay. Very quickly we'll just walk through. Khadate Yuvakaya. In this case, already it is in the correct Vibhakti that they want. I mean, whatever Vibhakti they have indicated, in Prathama it will be correct. So now you have to say pluralize it. Okay. So Patate, Patatbyam, Patatbhyaha. So Te goes to Bhyaha like that. So Kadadbhyaha, Yuvakebhyaha, something like that, it will emerge. Right? It has to flow over time. No, your brain should emerge the Chaturthi as naturally as possible. It'll happen. Slowly it'll happen. Kadadbhyaha yuvakebhyaha. Tishtataha batasya. So Tishtatam Bhathanam. Tishtatam Bhathanam. Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam. So Bhatasya Bhatayoho Bhathanam. So Patataha Patatoho Patatam. So Patatam. So Tishtatam Bhathanam. Like that. Okay. So this you guys try it out. So we will move forward. Otherwise we'll just be sitting in fourth lesson for too long. So there is one more exercise they have given. Let's try a couple just to get the flavor. Adaha Kartari. This is more likely these kind of things will appear in the exam. It's a little bit more challenging and nice. अतः कर्तरी प्रयोगे वाक्यानि सन्ति तेषां कर्मणि अथवा भावे प्रयोगरूपं लिखता इति. So there is some application needed in our brain now. Sanmarge gachan janah sarvam sadhitavan. So janaihi, first attack the base. Okay, don't go for the kridanta first. Janaihi sadhitham. Okay, janaihi sadhitam. Janah sadhitavan. Janaihi sadhitam. Sarvam sadhitam. Okay, so Oh, they have, sorry, janaha is singular. Janaha, no. So janena saditam. So I went for plural in my mind. So it's janena saditam. So gacchata janena. Then you go for the corresponding tritiya ekavachana of that gacchan. Gacchata janena sarvam saditam. You can add whatever is there behind it as is. Sanmarge gacchata janena sarvam saditam. Okay, only the Shatranta is adapting itself to the word that is it is an adjective. Whatever is clausally behind it, it remains the flow. What is it, Mahodaya?
Prathama to Tritiya, it will become mostly, right, in all the cases.
Yeah, that is true, because we are moving from Kartari to Karmani. So lot of use of Tritiya Vibhakti everywhere, correct? You have to carefully notice I think the more than the Kridanta is fairly straightforward look up. Our struggle will be with the verb, all those things, bhave, what is happening, that thing. Whether it is Napumsaka, all those things. You have to note carefully. So Nidram Kurvan Saha Swapnam Drishtavan. So Nidram Tena. Okay, so Kurvata Tena.
Kurvata tena swapnam drishtam.
This is that's exactly what I was saying. The struggle is, hey, is Swapna a Pullinga and Napumsaka Linga? Because everything looks like Napumsaka in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Especially to us in the south. Swapnaha Drishtaha. Okay,
Yeah.
Bhagini was right. It's a Pullinga. Okay,
Yeah.
so the words linga becomes important in the karmani, the karma padas lingatva. So you have to use that correctly. So, but this is easy enough now. Kurvata tena was not a challenge.
Yeah.
So like this, you guys attack the balance. Okay, so I will just quickly open up so that it will become a practice. But you take a sheet, look at the blanks in the textbook and try it out. Dware tishtantah rakshakaah pravesham nivaritavantah. So dware tishtadbihi rakshakaihi praveshaha pullinga nivaritah. So once you determine the linga, this is a game. Pravesham nivaritam or praveshaha nivarita is only doubt. In this case, pullinga. So vikasat pushpam adaha patitavat. See here, patitavat.
Vikasata pushpena.
Pushpam generates the
Vikasata pushpena adaha patita.
Pushpena adaha patitaha.
patitam. Pushpena patitam. Okay. Pat is a akarmaka dhatu. Okay. Bhave prayog.
Okay.
Okay. What is this patitavat business?
No, patitam is for pushpam, right? Pushpam patitam. Had it been Strilinga, it lata patita.
Yes, I'm just checking. What is patitavat doing there?
It has fallen.
No, patitavat.
Flower has fallen.
It has fallen is oh, it is a tavatu bhuta kridanta.
That's what.
Kartari tavatu patitavat for pushpam. Correct. Ramaha patitavan pushpam patitavat. It is so rarely used. I was thoroughly flummoxed by that form. It almost looks like some shatrunta form like that. Patat like that. Okay. Correct. So patitavan's corollary is patitavati napumsaka because of pushpam. That is actually kartari bhuta kridanta, and we switch to karmani bhuta kridanta patitam. And there is no karma pada, so you have to choose napumsaka. No more actually patitam is napumsaka because of pushpa. It is napumsaka because of bhave prayoga. Okay, see the distinction. There it was napumsaka because of pushpam, because it was a kartari prayoga. Anyway, these kind of things are there to learn from everything. We can keep enjoying the journey, but you guys try it out. So let's move forward. Oh, one more exercise they have given. My God, they will not let us relax. Avarane dattanam shabdanam uchitaihi rupaihi riktasthanani purayata. Vrikshat patanti is given. So narikelebhyah patadbyah looks like the form for me. So panchami duram gacha. Okay, patadbyah. So like this you have to try. What you have to do, what is the process? You have to go to the Visheshya, figure out its Vibhakti. in the context of the sentence. They have not hinted what vibhakti you have to go to. So the work a little bit what we have to do is the red letters I have invested in. So this you have to do first. So nari kelebhyah duram gaccha. So from the nari kelas you go away. So panchami. Okay. So vrikshat patadbyah panchami also, like that we have to go. So this will be 5.3 again. So this is 4.1 balaya. So put 4.1 of prapn this thing. Prashastim dash balaya te dhanam dattavantah. So prapnuate.
Prapnuvate balaya.
If you so here only it is there. I have put there patate. Okay. So
Prapnuvate.
prapnuvate. Yeah. So like this. So shrunvan bhaktena is again tritiya ekavachana. So similar form shrunvate. Shrunvata bhaktena.
Shrunvata.
Oh, tritiya, not chaturthi. Sorry, tritiya. So shrunvata bhaktena. So like this, guys, you have to attempt. Okay. So what I have done is put the correct vibhaktis, which you guys have to do. You can pen it in the book also when you answer, but you guys have to do this and write it and then go for this attempt. Then it becomes very, very mathematical. Okay. Grammar is somewhat little mathematical also. Until it internalizes and becomes like a rudhi, until it is a rudhi for us, a little bit of logical reasoning is required. So we need to do all this. Okay. All right. So padasangraha.
10th one, Shambho. That is what?
Shambhau, Saptami Ekavachana. Gurau, Shambhau, Shambhuhu, Guruhu. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Gurum, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhya. Like that, like that, like that. Guroho, Guruvoho, Gurunam, Gurau, Guruvoho, Gurushu. Padasangraha. Pash Dhatu. Nash, Nasha, not Pash. Nash, Nasha. Okay. Then Nuda. That is nudge. Oh, so close to the English sound. Tanu, to spread. Tapa, to scorch or burn. Tyaj, to leave. Okay. Tyaga comes from that. So, Nasha, Nashyati, something is lost, destroyed. Nashyate, something is lost by, some sense, as karmani. So, Ramena lekhani nashyate. Nashishyati, namkshyati. So future, two forms are there in future. Nanksyati, nashishyati, will destroy. Nashitavyam should be destroyed. Nashtavyam. Okay, so both forms are available. Okay. Nashaniyam. So this is tavyat, this is aniyar. But in tavyat there are two forms. Again, due to the same reason probably why two declensions are there. Similar rules lead to multi-forms like that. Nashtaha, nashta, nashtam. So was karmani bhutakridanta. So nashtaha, nashta, nashtam in the three lingas. Nashtavan, so kartari bhutakridanta. Okay, a fellow who lost it. Something like that. And a lady who lost it, something like that. So Nashyan, Nashyanti. So as losing. So this is the Shatranta Pullinga and Strilinga. Okay. And so we know that Nashyat in Napumsaka. Nashitva, Tvanta, and Namshtva. So here two forms again. Nashitva, Namshtva. Okay. Namkshyati, Nashtavyam, Namshtva. They are all one branch of the variation. Looks like. Then Nashta. What is Nashtva? Okay. There is one more declension variation of the Tvanta.
Tva and Labhya.
Pranashya is Lyapa, Bhagini. Pranashya is
Labhya.
Nashtva is a third form. So there are three forms of Tvanta. Nashitva, Namshtva, Nashtva. Okay, interesting. I'm sure we will come up with the fourth one if we have to answer, not these three.
Is it one of the sandhis that is causing this, or is it actually a declension?
No. I think it is a rule variation in the declension where there are some optional rules some Shakata and Asya Lopa or something like that will come into picture, which Panini says it is your option whether you want to follow that. That is that fellow's rule, like that. Okay. Yeah, Pranashya is Lebanta. Nashitum.
Nashitum and Nashtum.
Again two tumuns, as usual. This is a challenging dhatu. Okay. So if you want to remember one form, usually the first one will be easier one, Nashishyati, because everything is following in a nice way. Nashyati, Nashyate, Nashishyati, Nashitavyam, Nashaniyam. So Nashtaha, Nashta, Nashtam, Nashtavan, Nashyan, Nashitva, Pranashya, Nashitum. See, if you just forget the alternates, it's very consistent, just like Pashyati. Almost feels like Pashyati. Pashyati goes to Drishyate and all that. Pashyati is not a good choice. So maybe I
this
should.
Dhatu has got Ana sound, but all other thing has got the
Na sound. Na is replaced by Na consistently.
If
but
we have
here,
to write
Pranashya,
the Dhatu, then the other Na has to be used.
No, look. There is Pranashya which retains the original Nakara.
That is the only word which has got.
At least in the list we are looking at. If I open up that in ashtadhyayi.com in the 10 different lakaras, something may appear with nakara. We cannot conclude like that. In the list we are seeing the 10-15 forms that we are seeing, what you are saying is true. Okay, so similarly,
if we have to write the lat lakara or lang lakara or something, at that time we should remember the dhatu has to have the na sound.
No. Lat is having nakara only. The dhatu has the nakara. The prakriya has switched it to nash. Okay. So it will be nashyati, nashyataha, nashyanti, nashyat. This is lat only. First form. Nashyati, nashyataha, nashyanti.
So if we have to write the table, we have to write the dhatu, correct? At that time we have to use na.
No? Yeah, but normally in our type of thing, we don't so much speak of the dhatus form. Yeah. So for us, that is a little technical right now. For us, these are what is critical. These forms.
Won't it come in the exam?
No,
this particular right. So it is important for us to remember this dhatu also.
I don't remember how the question paper pattern is for this kind of dhatus. I don't think they're going to show all the forms of nash dhatu, such questions. Usually what Samskrita Bharati does, they have a section where they will put these forms. They will list 11, 12 words in different forms like this and say yojayata. I mean vakyeshu yojayata. Dvadasheshu dashanam vakyeshu yojayata. Like that some question. Like put 10 sentences for these 10 of these 12 words, like that. So it's usually they may throw this in the bundle over there. Okay, usually. I don't think they will ask nash dhatus ktavatu form you give. They never have seen such things. Okay. But you will need to probably know how to recognize what is Nashtavati and use it in a sentence correctly. So you cannot put Ramaha Nashtavati. So you have Nashtavan has to go with Rama and Sita has to go with Nashtavati, like that. Yes. Aditya Asopa. Is there a question, sir?
Mahaday, I'm confused with one form that I have seen earlier. That's like Nashyaman, Pashyaman. What is that form? I got confused now.
Where is Nashyaman? Nashtavan, Nashtavati is there. Where is Nash?
No, it's not here. It's not here. Somewhere else I have seen in similar Padasangraha only.
See. Okay. I know. Just actually a couple of days ago, we also noticed. See, this one, there are two places where this one vati kind of thing comes. Okay. One is for a namapada, for a matup pratyaya, it comes. If you remember, Ashok Varya had pointed out that is due to the matup pratyaya. So, for example,
Bhagyavan.
Something was there in. I'm trying to remember what the word was.
Bhagyavan.
Correct. Bhagyavan. Correct. Thank you, Bhagini. Bhagyavan, Bhagyavati sounds like Nashtavan, Nashtavati, but it is completely a different
Sir,
genesis.
I think Mahodaya is talking about Shanaj Pratyaya because this is a Ubhayapati Dhatu, so it will have both Shratra and Shanaj Pratyaya.
Manaha, mana. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
No, sir. I was talking about Bhagyavan only.
Bhagyavan. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, between us we have guessed your confusion, right? So good. So Bhagini was very helpful with the example. So Bhagyavan, Bhagyavati is a pratipadika which has undergone a matub declension. Okay, and it has almost a similar sense. Okay, and the sense is a fellow with Bhagya, a lady with Bhagya. Here, Nashtavan is like a slightly different sense, a fellow who lost. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Mahodaya.
But Van has the similar entitlement giving to a male, and Vati has a similar entitlement giving to a female. Okay. Yeah.
Praptavan, Praptavati, right? Exact
This is
opposite
showing a
of this.
kriya, no, sir. So this Nashtavan is showing a kriya, isn't it?
Correct.
That's
Correct. Bhagya is not showing any kriya. Correct. Exactly.
Praptavan, Praptavati is the right kriya.
Praptavan, Praptavati is again a kriya.
Like in Hindi, we have Balwan. For example.
Balavan is a Sanskritam word, and it is also the same process as
Got it,
Bhagyavan.
Mahodaya. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So you guys have to practice this. Not much I can do to help this. We can read here, but I think we will keep moving. Okay. So Prahelika. Let us do the Prahelika. Okay. प्रायेण नीचलोकस्य कः करोतीह गर्वताम् आदौ वर्णद्वयं दत्वा ब्रूहि के वनवासिनः. So prayena, perhaps, नीचलोकस्य of the adholoka. Okay. Loka here is taken in the sense of normally we take it to mean some naraka or something like that. Here Nicha Loka is Nicha Janasya. You have to convert Loka to Jana here. So Nicha Janasya. So perhaps for a inferior man, okay, Loka, if you take it as plural, inferior men. Okay, so Loka is a collective singular, so men can be interpreted. So Kaha Karoti Iha Garvatam. So who creates garva in them? Garva means some kind of a pride, false pride, haughtiness is how they are translated. That's correct. So who creates false pride, garva in people? So take that word, whatever it is. Okay. So whatever that word for that answer is, Adau Varnadvayam Datva. Give two additional letters. Varnadvayam, two letters. See Dvayam technique. So two letters having given, attaching. Bruhi, tell me. Ke Vanavasinaha. Who are forest dwellers. So usually it is easier for us to look up what can be the words for Vanavasinaha. Who are the forest dwellers. So hunter. Hunter gatherer names, whatever is there. Nishadaha is one word we know. So for example, there is a Rama Katha, no? We saw the verse. He thinks his boat will turn into stone. So he was a Nishada Raja, if I remember something like that. Guha. So there are some other words also for Vanavasi. So we have to know the word to give the answer. It's not very easy. Okay. But also even this is very rare to find. Okay. Obviously, we know what qualities bring haughtiness. We do know somebody has been elevated, somebody who doesn't deserve something has been elevated to a high post, then he will have haughtiness. Any deserving person who reaches a status will never have haughtiness. Only those who don't deserve, they will try to cover their lack of knowledge with status, right? So they will show out as haughty. So somebody with a Ucha Sthiti will actually have a Nicha Buddhi. this one. Okay, so that'll. So some clue there.
So this karotiha is which lakara? It's a verb, right?
Karoti iha garvatam. Kaha karoti
Oh,
iha
acha.
garvatam. Savarna
Karoti iha. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So not very easy. I'll open it up. Let us keep it in memory. But clue is Vanavasi has few words and we should remember. And so the last letter or a set of letters of Vanavasi after the first two has to give the correct answer for the first one. So of course I will just open up. Raha. I never knew this also myself. Raha is actually wealth. I never knew. Okay. So always these Prahelikas are challenging us because the new words which we have never encountered are the answers. Na, in one of the places in the previous level it was a na. I never knew na as a man. But anyway, so Raha is wealth. Okay. So Shabaraha is the answer because two letters Shaba if you add, Shabaraha are hunters. Okay. So Vanavasinaha. Like that is the answer. And this is my status after finding the answer. Okay. I have no idea.
Wealth wealth causes haughtiness in the inferior man, right?
Correct. You see this how careful they were. Wealth generally doesn't cause haughtiness on its own. Wealth causes haughtiness in inferior men. This is I read so carefully now in this. Nicha lokasya garvatam karoti. So that means in a deserved person who justifiably earned it and knows how to make good use of it, there is no garva, whether it is a sthana or a dana or something, anything. He doesn't have false pride. But that undeserving person only always feels, mera hai, mera, meri maa, meri beti, like this, this business. I used, of course, ma beti, sorry. Shouldn't be. Okay. So we will conclude there. We have finished the time. So we will start off next week with this nice family scene, whatever Subhashitam related to that. Let us read it once and then call it a day. Yaha prinayet sucharitaihi pitaram saputro yadbhartureva hitamichati tatkalatram tanmitramapadi sukecha samakriyam yat Etatrayam jagati punyakrito labhante. Almost meaning is very clear. Huh? Something about father and son, something about husband and wife, something about friendship, who is a friend, and then these three people rarely, only for very deserved punyakrit people only get it like that. Okay. So this guy has his mitram, his mata, his bharya, all children, everything. So hopefully he's a punyakrit. Looks like one. So we will catch up next week. Let's call it a weekend. So we move on with lesson 4 and hopefully jump into lesson 5 next weekend. Okay. So have a nice balanced little weekend that is left with you guys. Take care.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
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 I'll upload.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.
Yeah.